Welcome back to Ask Shadi YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to make a CV by using artificial intelligence in few minutes. We first enter the website GravityWrite. Enter your email and click Sign Up. Enter any name and password. The password must include at least one special character, $ or hash for example. Create account. I will receive an account verification message immediately. Click on the link to activate the account and enter the website. This is the program interface. Type in the search box, specifically here resume. Choose the first option, resume writer. To generate a ready and professional CV, I enter my name. I enter my role, web developer for example. I enter the certificates I own, in addition to the source of each certificate. I also specify previous work experience. Each person must input personal experience, programming languages that I know as a website designer. HTML5 CSS. In this field are the projects that I have worked on, certificates, patents, etc. Finally, the languages that I know, such as English, French, Arabic, and others. When finished, click on Create Content. To generate a professional CV, we log into the website Canva. We write in the Design Search section, Resume. It is a free template. Now we start filling in the boxes by copying and pasting the content. Until we finish all the boxes. Moving on another field, education. At the same time, I can also delete some fields. And format the content as I want. When finished, click Share. Then on Download. Choose the format I want, PDF/PNG. Increase the image resolution to the maximum. Then click Download. I hope you have benefited from this content. Thank you for your constant follow-up. May God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you.